In this video, we're going to look how to search for multiple Greek words on the MyBible app. Now, the reason you might want to search for multiple Greek words is if you were looking at how a particular phrase is used and you wanted to see how that phrase is used in the context in which the phrase is used. So in order to do this, we'll be using the MyBible app. I provided a link to some other videos that I've done on the MyBible app that can help you overview, install, and get the Greek and Hebrew set up so that you can use the MyBible app to do this. You'll notice here on the MyBible app that I'm using the World English Bible and it has a plus beside it. It'll be important that you choose a translation that has the plus beside it because that indicates that the Greek numbers are embedded into that translation. So the first thing is just to find a passage where the word or phrase, the words or phrases that you want to look at is used. So to do that, I'm just going to do a simple search. I'll click here on this magnifying glass. And so let's think about the phrase, the kingdom of heaven. So let me just do a quick search for kingdom. So I'll put kingdom in here into the search area. You'll notice that I've selected my search area just to be the New Testament. You can change that by tapping here. And so you can just come down here and select New Testament or any other area that you would want to search. So once I've typed in kingdom, I can come over here and tap the search. And you'll see here that it has come up with Matthew 3:2, the first one. The kingdom of heaven is at hand. So let me just tap on this Matthew 3:2 to get to that particular passage. Now, once I'm at this passage, I can double tap here on the word kingdom. And you'll see that it opens a new window and it tells me that the Greek word is basileia, and that it's the Strong's number is G932. And so we want to note that down, that basileia, kingdom, is G932. The next thing is let's find out the strong number for heaven. So if I come over here and I double tap on heaven, it brings up heaven down here in the dictionary, uranos, and we can see that the Strong's number is G3772. So also I just want to note that down, that those are my two strong numbers, G932 and G3772. So now what I can do is I've already double tapped here on heaven, uranos, and it's down here. So to start doing a search on just that word, I can come here and I can click this magnifying glass with an S in it, and that's going to do a search on this strong number G772. So let me tap here. And that's pulling up a search for uranos, and it's in the World English Bible, and it's telling me that it's G3772. And right here it's telling me it's used 258 times. So I can see all the places where uranos is used. But in this particular case, what we're wanting to do is we're wanting to find where basileus, kingdom, and uranos is used. So to search for multiple Greek words, I'm just going to come tap here where it says G3772, and that pulls up another window. And in this other window, I can enter multiple strong numbers. So if I wanted to search for 2 or 3 or 4, I would just enter the strong numbers here, and so I can search for multiple Greek words. Now, the other word that we were interested in, basileus, was G932, so I'll just type that in, G932, put a space in there. So now right here I have the G932, I have the G3772, and I can just come tap OK. And now I'm going to get a search where both the words kingdom, basileia, G932, see here, and heaven, Uranos, G3772 are used. And you can see that it's used 35 times. So here I have all the places where both the word kingdom and heaven is used. Now, the one important thing to note is if you're looking for finding a phrase, just because you've searched the words and the words are in the verse, it doesn't necessarily mean that that phrase is in the verse. And so in our example that we're searching for kingdom of heaven, our search has yielded examples here, kingdom of heaven, where we have the phrase that we are looking for. But if we scroll down this list some, and we get here to Matthew 6:10 is a good example of this. Is the Lord's Prayer. Notice Jesus says, "Let your kingdom come, let your will be done as in heaven." And so we have the word kingdom and we have the word heaven used in this passage, but it's not the phrase the kingdom of heaven. So you just have to, as you're going through this list, you just have to make sure that it's the phrase that you are looking for. So I hope this helps you in searching for multiple Greek words and finding phrases in the New Testament. Thanks for watching.